Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block or prevent websites from sending you notifications in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, select Site Settings. And then underneath Permissions, select where it says Notifications. And select where it says Don't allow sites to send notifications. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.